I'm going to do an unboxing video, so stay tuned. Okay. This is a XY, should be an XY table for a drill press. It's only meant for probably light duty milling. I just got it probably about an hour ago. There we go. I paid around about $40 for it. I got it off of eBay. Seems to be packaged pretty good. Nice soft foam. Instructions. There we go. That's the table. See anything else in there? Nope. See what's in here. The hardware. Comes with a couple small Allen wrenches, couple knobs, 2 hold downs, and machine screws and bolts. Let's see how much one you put on this way. I'm no machinist, so I can't really say too much about experience with this stuff. But what I plan to do with this is going to be light duty anyways. Probably very little machining of any kind. In fact, I've been thinking about getting one of these for a while. It seems to move very smoothly. It probably could use some cleaning and oiling. by the instructions. Two of these bolts needs to nut all the way down near the head. Looks like the hold down's threaded. Take the other bolt. Put in the T-track. And do the same with the other side. Got some measurements there. That's what the underside looks like. And here on these knobs in this area, on both of them, there's some measurements. It looks like it could be in a thousandths of an inch. Maybe one of these days I'll do a video of me using this. I do have some 1/8 inch end mills on order for this. They haven't got it here yet. Maybe later on, when I do use it, I'll do a review. But it does feel like it needs a little either greasing or cleaning. That seems a bit stiff in that area. Maybe it's supposed to be that way. I don't know. The only thing I have to do is mount this to a drill press and use it. Now I don't know if I like these knobs like this or not, because that seems a little hard to walk with. Let's see if they do any better with me loosening them up. That seems to work better, but still a little on the stiff side. So I'll probably end up taking this apart and cleaning all this out and greasing it. There's no way to get to it from underneath. The instructions are very minimal. Let me see here. There's an exploded view of it. Let's see here. I got 3 models listed for the measurements. The table size is 300 millimeter by 90 millimeter. If I remember correctly, that's 6, 7, 8, 9, about, I think 10 inches by maybe 3.5, 3 3/4 inches, give or take. X-axis travel is 200 millimeters, 8 inches. Y-axis is 50 millimeters, which is 2 inches. Distance of groove is 34 millimeters. Okay. Let's be talking about these down here. Now these measurement conversions is I'm giving you little on the left side, and not exactly what I told you, but they're pretty close as far as I know. And it's also made in China. Go figure. That's what those for. Down along the front and on the side, there's some set screws here that I thought was just bolts with the nuts sticking out. So right in the middle of that screw, there's a place to put the Allen wrench. And I guess that nut is just to lock into place so it doesn't go too far in. Give y'all some idea how big this is. These Leathermans are 8 inches long from end to end. That was about 3 inches high. It seems the top piece here on this piece here made out of aluminum, and I guess the bottom piece could be either cast aluminum or it could be some sort of pot metal. But it seems to be a pretty good deal if you're on a tight budget and want to do a little bit of machining. Even though some people have suggested not to do any machining with a drill press. But I figure if you're doing some light duty stuff like small pieces of aluminum or wood or plastic blocks made out of milk jugs or whatever, it should be fine. But if you plan on doing anything else like hot rolled steel or something like that, it's best to get a actual milling machine, because drill presses ain't really made for milling to begin with. Well, yeah, that's my unboxing of this. I hope you find it informative. Now, until next time, I'll catch you on the next one.